Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to Luo English Dictionary channel. Today we are going to read the second book, and this book is about basic concepts. This time we are going to read about football. So let me just set up for a minute, and then we shall be good to go. Let me just check. I'm checking whether we are good to go. Good. I can see we're live. Good. So let's read a book. I just wrote a book here. This is a book that talks about football. I'm going to talk about the name and all these other things. So name, hobby. Nyinga kod ngima ahero. That is, if you want to talk about your name and your hobby, you would say Nyinga kod ngima ahero. That would be the title. And you'd say Nyinga en Onyango. So Nyinga en Onyango would mean my name is Onyango. Ahero tugo adhula. Please see the DHU, and DHU means du. Ahero tugo adhula. Ahero tugo adhula. So the good thing is now the English in red, so you can actually look at the English to see what we're talking about. So, Nyinga en Onyango, ahero tugo adhula. Nyinga en Onyango, ahero tugo adhula. Is kama atugo. E tugo mar adhula, atugo kaka jageng adhula. E tugo mar adhula, atugo kaka jageng adhula. So in that game I play as a defender. E tugo mar adhula, atugo kaka jageng adhula. Ne achako tugo adhula ka an jahigni 9. Ne achako tugo adhula ka an jahigni 9. So I started playing when I was 9 years old. Higni is years and 9 is 9. So ne achako tugo adhula ka an jahigni 9. Now one more thing is I noticed my frames keep dropping on the live stream. So if you see that I keep repeating, it's so that if the frames drop, then someone can get it later when the frames pick. I am yet to see why. Kama ne achake, where I started. Ne achako tugo adhula ndalo mane adak kod owadwa maduong' Kisumu. Ne achako tugo adhula ndalo mane adak kod owadwa maduong' Kisumu. So I started playing when I was living with my elder brother in Kisumu. Ne achako tugo adhula ne adak kod owadwa maduong' Kisumu. Okay? Good. Kaka itugo adhula. How football is played. Kaka itugo adhula. Adhula itugo kod jotugo 11 koni gi koni. Adhula itugo kod jotugo 11 koni gi koni. So that means football is played by 11 players each side. Adhula itugo kod jotugo 11 koni gi koni. Jameko ema oyiene tiyo kod lwete. Jok ma odong' nyaka gwe mana adhula seche te. Jameko ema oyie ne tiyo kod lwete. Jok ma odong' nyaka gwe mana adhula seche te. So only the goalkeeper is allowed. The act of keeping the goal is like catching, the catcher. So Jamaica loosely translates to the person who catches the ball. Okay. Jok ma odong' nyaka gwe mana adhula seche te. So the remaining people have to kick. Kaka itugo adhula. Ka jatugo oloyo, mor. Ka jatugo oloyo, jowetene kwake kod mor. Ka jatugo oloyo, jowetene kwake kod mor. So if when a player scores, his colleagues hug him with joy. Ng'eny jotugo gombo tugo ne timbe mag wagunda nikech gichudo maber. Ng'eny jotugo gombo tugo ne timbe mag wagunda nikech gichudo maber. Prefer playing in Europe because Europe teams pay well. Jotugo ng'eyore seche ma gitugo ka girwako lewni ma chalre. Jotugo ng'eyore seche ma gitugo ka girwako lewni ma chalre. Jotugo ng'eyore seche ma girwako lewni ma chalre. Piny mangima tugo ga adhula bang' higni 4. Piny mangima tugo ga adhula bang' higni 4. So the whole world plays 4 years. So World Cup is called adhula mar piny mangima. So you see the title is Tugo ma oriwo piny mangima. So that means the game that oriwo is what? That incorporates the entire world. Piny mangima is the entire world. Mokili mobimba in the other language. Okay. E tugo mar piny mangima, jotugo wuok e pinje 32. E tugo mar piny, jotugo wuok e pinje 32. So in the World Cup, players come from 32 countries. Ka in kod penjo ma odokula, inyalo ndiko gi piny ka mondo waduoki. Ka in kod penjo ma odoko e weche adhula, inyalo ndiko gi piny ka mondo waduoki. So that gives you the chance. So in Facebook, Austin is asking, Wagunda is Europe or abroad? Yes, thank you, Austin. Austin, Wagunda are actually foreigners. So it might be abroad, it might be Europe, as long as they're not in the country. Thank you for your question. And then I think the rest of us are good. And this is the end of the last slide. And please subscribe and share this video. The reason we are trying to do the live stream, it might still not be perfect for now, but we are trying to make sure that everything does everything goes as planned. So the only way to ensure everything goes as planned is to keep changing stuff until we get it right. So right now, I think we got it a little bit well, and everything is going fine. So thank you for watching this video, and please